Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see about Azure File Storage. So in our last video, we have seen about the storage account first, then our container blob. Now we'll see about file storage. Okay, so first of all, I will click on my file share. Currently, I don't have any, so I can create a new one. So I will say this as my share one. Okay, here you have this transaction optimized, hot and cool. So you can go with this transaction optimized for now. And here the capacity is 100 terabytes. Okay, your input output is, I think it is 20,000. All right, then if you want to set up backup as well. Okay, so if you will set up the backup, so this vault will get created, this resource group will get created, and the backup policy will get created. And here if you see the policy, the daily it will be backed at this 7:30 p.m. UTC, and the retention will be taken every day at 7:30 for 30 days. So you can edit this policy and you can change your frequencies as well. Let's say you want at hourly basis, every 4 hours, blah blah. So if you want to have full control or this very critical data, so you can enable it. But for now, I'm going to skip this. So let me uncheck this. So I can say review and create. I will click on create button here. Okay, so now my this file share is ready. Okay, now let us see if I want to upload a file inside this. So how can I do that? So I can go to my storage browser here. Here I have this file share option. This is my share one here. I can upload any file here. So let me upload this file, this 3 MB file. I can override this. And one more thing is that you can even create multiple directory as well. These are nothing will be your folder like structure. For example, I can click here directory. I can say this as Sagar1 here. I'll click OK. So here, like now I have this directory available. Now inside this again, I can create something. Okay, so let me go back here. Let's see if I can move it. Okay, anyway, yeah. So now the next thing is that now we are going to restrict this storage account, and let's say we only want this storage account to be accessed from a particular virtual network. For that, let me create a virtual network first. I can simply click on my create button here. Okay, let me go with this default here and let me say this as my VNet1, and let me simply review and create. And it will automatically create a default subnet for me. I'm good with that. Now I can go to my resource here. Okay, now here what we'll do, we'll add our storage account. So for that I can go to settings here. Here we have service endpoint. I will click on add. Here I can search for which service I need. So I will say I need my storage. And here I can select my subnet. So this virtual network have a default subnet that I showed you a few minutes back as well. I can add this. Now here it will take some time, and this storage account. Yep. So here you can see this storage account is being added. Okay, this service. Okay. Now let me go back to my storage account. That is this one. Now here I will go towards my networking. Here I will click on enable, manage. Okay. And here I can select this for my enable from selected network. And here I can add my VNet, that is VNet1 that I created few minutes back. I can say add an existing VNet. And here if you can see I'm already getting my subscription. I can say this is my VNet, right? And my subnet here. Okay, and I can click on add here. Now this VNet is being added to this storage account networking here. Now it is asking me to, like add my IP address that is automatically taken, but let me delete this and let me save this. Okay, now what I have done, I have added that particular VNet here that this storage account should only be accessed from this particular VNet. Here you can see the basic information like VNet. Okay, exceptions are also there. Yeah, VNet is the exception only, and I haven't added any public IP addresses to be excluded. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to my storage browser here. Let me go to my file share now. I'll click on my file share. And here you can see that now I cannot access, is not authorized. Yeah, so that is all about file share. Thank you for watching this video.